And good Friday afternoon, everybody. Thanks for joining us here on Valley News Live at noon. Of course, here's those temperatures. 59 right now in Fargo, 56 in Grand Forks. So it's not too bad out there. Definitely an improvement from where we were earlier. Still 54 in Bemidji, Fergus Falls 52, Wahpeton also 52 degrees is two of the cooler spots this afternoon. But Jamestown now up to 57 degrees. So it is a pretty pleasant afternoon out there for a lunchtime walk. Wind isn't too bad. And of course, the sunshine is abundant. You can see on satellite and radar how there's a whole lot of nothing to talk about. And personally, I'm okay with that. A Friday, we're going into a long weekend, and having some sunny skies to bless us on the last day of the business week is always good to see. So here's how things look for the rest of the day today. We'll see that wind will pick up a little bit out of the south, especially for our North Dakota neighborhoods. Those winds in Fargo around 15 miles per hour, gusting upwards of 25 miles per hour here in town, but out toward North Dakota, Devil's Lake, Harvey, Rolla, could see some gusts upwards of 35 miles per hour this afternoon, but you see temperatures in the 60s for most everybody by 3 o'clock, and we stay in those 60s for the 6 o'clock hour. So your evening commute looks really good. Still see a bit of a strong south wind in Fargo, gusting upwards of 30 miles per hour in town. And the wind does pick up a little bit across our Minnesota neighborhoods as well by the time we get to that 6 o'clock hour. But by 9 o'clock, the wind will calm down a little bit, but we had that sunshine today. We've got a little bit of a south wind, so we'll keep temperatures fairly mild by 9 o'clock, 50s for most everybody. Then by the, say, 5 a.m. hour, look at these temperatures, 40s for most everybody, maybe some upper 30s in the cool spots. The good news is much warmer tomorrow morning than it was this morning. So the plants, if you have those outdoors, can stay outdoors tonight. But we do see some increasing clouds early in the morning. This is 5 a.m. Saturday. Notice that cold front out there in central North Dakota. That is moving toward us, and we are expecting some impacts from that front as it makes its way through. But notice those winds out ahead of this front will pick up a little bit. And then we do expect the best chance of showers or thunder showers to be in the midday hour in the Red River Valley. Notice this is 11 a.m., seeing that front making its way through. And we'll see temperatures only warming into the 50s for us on Saturday. So it's going to be a chilly day along with a bit of a breeze for us. And we'll see by 3 o'clock that front continues to push its way through. A broken line of showers is what we're seeing. So maybe a splash and dash shower associated with that front as it moves through. And then another chance later on. This is 10 o'clock at night Saturday. Maybe still a few more showers or thunder showers lingering later on in the nighttime hours and continuing into the overnight with, again, just a few spotty showers lingering overnight into early Sunday morning. And you can see high pressure making its way into, say, Minot, Harvey, Rolla, clear skies. So I do expect after any early showers on Sunday, conditions will improve very quickly. And we actually have that written down there on that 7-day planner. Early shower, but then a lot of that big yellow ball there of sunshine for the second half of the weekend. But it's going to be a chilly one for Saturday with those highs only around 60 degrees. But then middle 70s for Sunday. Then for Memorial Day itself, upper 70s. Probably going to see some lower 80s in the hot spots for Monday. And then as the first day of meteorological summer begins on Tuesday, June 1st, upper 70s, lower 80s. We do have a chance of some storms, though, on Tuesday, which is fitting as we're going into the meteorological summer. And some of those could be on the strong side. So we're watching that atmospheric dynamic very carefully to see if those storms will be able to intensify on Tuesday. So stay tuned through the weekend and early next week as we watch that chance of some strong storms. And then, Brian, we're in the 80s to near 90 by the time we get to Thursday of next week.
That sounds pretty good. A great start to June, right?
It really is. Nice and warm.
I love that. Thanks, Nathan.
You bet.
Well, straight ahead at noon, an innovative new wind turbine designed with no blades and is safer for wildlife.